Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app version and connectivity. Open Settings and locate YouTube. This tells you whether an update is necessary. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and you're on a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. If you have unsaved drafts, back them up or export links first. Clearing the app cache can prevent installation conflicts. Now proceed to your App Store to locate the YouTube entry and prepare to update immediately. You tap Update in the Play Store or App Store and watch the download progress. This reveals whether the update is delivering a full release or a small patch. As it installs, allow any permission changes the store requests because denying may block features. If the download appears stuck, pause then resume or restart the device to clear transient holds. Make sure you have adequate free storage. Insufficient space is a common failure cause. Then let the installation finish fully. You complete the process by launching YouTube and verifying the version number and core functions like playback, uploads, and signing in. If something goes wrong, crashes, missing features, first clear cache and data, then try a reinstall. On Android, you can sideload a previous APK as a rollback if needed. If issues persist, collect logs, screenshots, and device details so you can contact support effectively. One key troubleshooting tip: restarting the device often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.